Hello, good afternoon.
Hi,
I'm Dr. Zafer.
Melissa.
Where are you from, Melissa?
I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in America.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
Please switch the chair. Have a seat here. How many years ago your hair loss start?
I mean, it's really just been like I told her, I had like a high forehead my whole life, so it's been, I mean, not really like super hair loss, just I have thin hair or kind of like a medium thickness, but like I really have a high forehead line, and it's always kind of been like that. Like I was kind of born with that.
We will not shave your all hairs. We will shave just the some area of your back sides. Okay. Can you hold it here? For the man, the hairline, the corners go back like M or like V. But for the woman, almost straight or little bit round shape we can do. Also, for the naturality, we will add some baby hairs under the line, up and down, up, down, up and down, up and down, for the more natural.
I was hoping for like 3 fingers, not 4. That's kind of where I'm at. I got like about 5 or 6 almost now, so.
What do you think?
I like height too. Good height. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I think so.
So what would you say about your experience? Was it good? Was it like a little bit
it was
difficult?
Very good, not difficult at all. Just long,
Okay.
but everybody was really respectful and awesome. And
Thank you.
yeah, no, it was excellent.
Do you feel any like dizziness, nausea? At all?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
Oh, good.
I feel fine now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even if you would like to not cut the hair, for example, you'll be able to, in case, like hide the donor area and also protect it with the hair, with the ponytail. Okay. If there's anyone around you that wants to get this operation like that, would you recommend them anything like that at all?
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You guys were great.
Thank you.
I really
Thank you so
appreciate
much.
it.
Okay. Thank you.